Tired of digital photos never printed? Wishing you could bring memories into the physical world without ink cartridge hassles? Print vibrant photos anywhere, anytime, from your phone with no mess. The Xiaomi Portable Photo Printer 1S makes instant printing simple and fun. Using zinc inkless technology, this printer produces full-color photos without ink cartridges, toner, or ribbons, just special zinc paper with embedded colors. No smudges, no drying time, no expensive ink costs. Connect via Bluetooth, select photos from the Xiaomi app, and watch memories become tangible prints. Portable design fits in bags, perfect for parties, weddings, vacations, or everyday moments. Create instant photo booths, print personalized gifts, or build photo walls without print shop trips. High-quality prints are durable, water-resistant, and vibrant, preserving memories for years. Perfect for scrapbook enthusiasts, social butterflies, or parents capturing precious moments. Features Bluetooth connectivity, inkless zinc technology, portable design, and instant printing. Ready to start printing memories? The link is in the description and comments.